Hello.
Oh, hello. Is that a Rowan?
That's me.
Hello, Rowan. How are you doing on this fine day?
So tired.
Oh, did you just get up?
Yeah.
Oh my. You could sleep. It's okay.
No, not
No,
possible.
impossible. Oh no. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so you have chosen wake.
Yeah. Once I'm up, there's no going back
I
for me.
understand. Fair enough.
Some people can like take lots of naps and go back to sleep easily. Not me.
Fair enough. Well, I will at least entertain you with my best 5 to the 4 solve yet so far.
And the lovely keyboard sounds.
Yes, the ASMR.
Mm. I will do linen
Heck
development.
yeah.
Okay, where was I? Uh, my last commit message was something.
The word something.
Yeah.
I see.
Mm. Pretty useful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No. Well, it means I did something. I just don't know what that is.
It honestly doesn't even mean you did something.
Right.
You
Well, actually,
gotta. Yeah.
I can click on it and see what something I did.
True.
I commented out some debug printing. Um, some other stuff.
Okay.
What? What wasn't working? Something wasn't working. Hold on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
A Luna too. Hello. Congrats on the solve.
Congrats on falling asleep.
Yeah. I left you there.
No, don't apologize at all.
Yeah. I really wish I'd stayed awake for the next 15 minutes, but I could not.
Yeah, it's understandable.
Yeah. It was funny because like you died and we were like, he died, wake him up.
Oh, oh no.
And then you didn't wake up. And we occasionally
Yeah.
heard random like rustling wind noises.
Oh damn, wait, I didn't leave VC?
No, you didn't leave
No.
VC. You just kind of died.
Oh no, I
I
remember
disconnected you when we ended.
Oh jeez. I remember
Yeah.
leaving VC, or maybe like I woke up and saw that I had left VC. Oh jeez.
Yeah, that's
Mm.
probably it. Yeah.
Yeah, I must have woken up and seen that I'd left
Oh my
VC.
god, you
Damn.
can have a activity status. What is this?
What?
I don't know, it said it was in beta.
What? Of the VC?
Yeah.
No, of you.
Of me? Wait, what does it
Like,
say?
Indiv individually.
ind- has a hypercube that's spinning in rainbow and gate.
What?
I
For
can
me,
set a
I
custom
said it.
activity.
Wait, can you do it, or is it a Nitro thing?
I can do it
But
You can do
I'm
it?
so
right
confused.
now.
Do I have this set right now, or is it just a thing you can do?
No, you
It's
don't.
a thing you
Okay.
can do.
Ron does.
I see. Cool.
Did you just type an emote and it worked?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Oh, I wanted to do method dev with you, Luna, because I think that my edge method is Garbo.
Mm.
That is not gonna happen in the middle of the solve, though.
I can't confirm it. I can set it to chilling, but then custom activity. I can't confirm a custom activity. Is that Nitro?
Interesting.
Like it opens the thing, set custom voice activity, but the confirm button has the little red no,
Interesting.
but it doesn't say why. This is tragic. Wait, can you see this from my profile? Oh,
I
you
can
can.
see this. Is it a
I want
frog?
to. It's the fucking frog. Yeah.
Oh,
What?
there's a button to steal status. I just stole your status.
Oh.
Why is that
Oh,
a thing?
so Rowan, set yours to something custom, and then I'll see if I can steal it. I can,
Wait, oh, you can't do custom emoji, but I can?
but I can steal your custom
Kind of
one.
like you can react to things that.
It's like cheating.
It's beta, so maybe it's just broken.
It's probably broken because it's in beta.
Or maybe, like, I mean, you can react with emotes you don't have, right?
That's true.
As long as someone else reacts first.
Oh no, but now I can edit it. Ah, but it needs some text. Rowan, what did you type in your text for yours? Oh, you have to type
Hybrid
actually
cubing.
things. Oh, you can't have emotes in the text.
No.
That is tragic. That's actually really sad.
B.
Oh, but it's actually not capital B, it's lowercase b. So let me try lowercase b. Ah, it doesn't work either.
Does it not show I'm live streaming? Oh wait, there we go.
It does.
It just lagged for like 20 hours. Is it working?
Hmm.
How do I see it? Can you see my linen?
No, but I'm not looking.
R.
I'm too busy setting a custom status for voice.
I'm so excited to see.
I'm so sad that you can't use emotes in the text. This is a massive oversight.
Truly one of the tragedies of all time.
But you can use Unicode characters.
So you can use Unicode emotes.
Exactly.
Ah.
Well, presumably. I haven't tried. Yeah.
Ba-do, da-boo.
You can't delete the old ones, they just get deleted over time, apparently. Wait, Rowan, in the list, it has the rainbow animated hypercube. But in VC, on your little profile picture, it has the gold hypercube.
Oh, that's just the first frame of it. If you click on it, it'll
Oh.
animate.
Animated. Oh, it animates when you're talking.
Oh, interesting. There was what was the newcomer recently who like also animated profile pic something while they were talking. Begin with the D. I forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
I don't remember, but that's yeah, it's like that apparently. Rowan, your live stream is not working for me.
It's working for me.
Oh, now it's gone.
Cause I gonded it.
Done gone it.
Let me ungone it and see if it works.
Dimmadome.
Owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome?
Dimsdale Dimmadome.
They're showing Crass Nebula on ice?
That's right.
Not right! Timmy Turner, my name is Meow. Yeah, Ryan, it's just the video. But also, I keep hearing the leave join sound to voice, so maybe my voice is
Oh right,
bugged.
I keep hearing it too. Is it me?
I don't know. I keep hearing it like I'm leaving, so.
Oh, that's weird.
Me too.
Spooky. Jeez, okay.
But it's not interrupting anything. Right, like, Hector stream isn't dying.
I'll try leaving and rejoining.
Hmm. So how goes 5 to the 4?
Good, I think. This feels pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, feels like I'm doing better than any previous solve.
That's good.
Yeah.
Milo did some extrapolation for me from my 2 to the 5, 3 to the 5, and 4 to the 5 times.
Yeah.
And found that it should take me 45 to 50 hours to solve 5 to the 5.
Wow. That's... Yeah, damn.
I'm not about to test that theory.
Right. Right.
Apparently Rowan can't connect to voice anymore.
Oh, what? Shit. What? That's frightening. Glad we are experimenting with this now and not, I don't know, when there's things happening.
Hmm.
What did y'all do? What happened?
I don't know.
And, whoops, nope. Last cell. 23 minutes. But this will probably be sub 30.
Hello, Fractal.
Oh, hello.
Oh, welcome back, Rowan.
Hey.
You're alive.
Excellent. I was worried there for a bit.
We lost Fractal.
Oh.
We gained Fractal.
Oh my goodness. This is a
What is happening to voice today?
This is a real roller coaster.
We lost Rowan.
Ah.
We lost Fractal.
Oh my gosh. What did y'all do? What happened?
We gained Fractal. We lost Fractal. We gained Fractal.
Thanks for narrating this.
Ake posted a cat gif. Let's go.
Good to know that the order is not completely lost.
Hmm. We lost Fractal.
Oh my gosh. So Fractal's also having trouble joining in...
I don't know. He's not said anything yet.
Huh.
And I tell you what, though, one thing I did learn
Mm-hmm.
through the solve yesterday
Mm-hmm.
is that if I wasn't doing that in one go, it would actually be fine.
Okay. That is good to know.
So, like, if I was going to solve 5 to the 5 or 6 to the 5 or something stupid like that,
Yeah.
like, I could just do that.
Cool.
I would do it over a summer or something, but, you know.
Yeah. That's cool.
I wouldn't have any trouble, really.
A science. Okay, I have done a science. This is good science. I know what must be done. Maybe I don't. There we go. Now I can do... If I do this... There! Nice. Okay.
But yeah, so that's good to know.
Yeah. Cool.
Because I did have a slight worry as I was starting the solve that I would just hit a problem
Mm-hmm.
that I didn't know how to solve. But I feel like it was alright. Welcome back, Rohan.
Hey.
Are you alive? Or are you fake? Those are your only options. He's dead.
Oh.
Rest in peace. Rohan is gone. Crap. It's stuck at a waiting endpoint. Oh no.
Hmm. Damn, we really killed our servers.
Yeah, voice is bad today. I guess they had you set up the server then.
Yes. That is evidently what happened.
Oh, I disconnect and reconnect
Hmm?
sound
What was that?
for me. I just disconnected and reconnected.
I cannot hear.
Hello, am I okay?
Hello, I can hear you now. You were just
Okay.
like far away or something.
I just disconnected and reconnected,
Okay.
apparently,
And
according to the sound.
oh,
I did not choose to do that.
interesting. Okay. Bye. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, there we go. I had single layer scramble.
Oh, apparently they're all just Discord issues connecting to voice right now.
Oh, okay. Just like globally. So unrelated to.
Yeah. They were investigating it.
I see. Okay.
It's not necessarily unrelated, but
Okay. Rip their uptime, I guess. I feel like they've had really good uptime for the past like year or two. Very rarely have we had technical difficulties that were the fault of Discord servers. Which is good on them. Sub 30. PB.
impressive.
I kind of want to do another solve. Actually, I kind of don't. Never mind.